Is your private browsing disappearing from Safari on your iPhone, leaving you wondering how to browse discreetly? Don't worry, we've got you covered with some straightforward fixes to get that privacy back. First things first, let's check your iPhone's main settings. Tap on the Settings app icon. This is the springboard for all your iPhone's configurations. Scroll down through the Settings menu until you find Screen Time. This feature controls how you and your family use your device. Tap on it to enter the Screen Time settings. Within Screen Time, you'll see an option called Content and Privacy Restrictions. This is where you can manage what apps and features are allowed. Tap on this to proceed. Ensure that Content and Privacy Restrictions is toggled on. If it's off, your private browsing should be available. If it's on, we'll need to dig a little deeper. Now tap on Content Restrictions. This takes you to more specific controls for different types of content and features on your iPhone. Look for the Web Browsing option and tap on it. This section specifically deals with Safari's web browsing capabilities and restrictions. Here, you'll see a list of options. Make sure that Unrestricted Access is selected if it's set to limit adult websites. It might be blocking private browsing. Selecting Unrestricted Access should bring back the private browsing option. If you don't have Screen Time enabled, or if the above steps didn't work, a simple restart can often work wonders. Press and hold the side button and either volume button until the power off slider appears. Then drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Wait about 30 seconds. Then press and hold the side button again to turn it back on. Once your iPhone has restarted, open Safari. You should now see the Private tab option available when you tap the tab's icon. Happy private browsing.